Hello, my dear children, and welcome back. I know, exams are just around the corner, and sometimes maths can feel a little tricky. But please, don't you worry at all. Today, we're going to make it all super simple and fun. Think of this as our little secret weapon to score full marks. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Okay, so to get us started, let's go on a little trip. Imagine we're on a beautiful, sunny vegetable farm. And look, our friends Rumi and Shami are here. They're busy picking all these fresh vegetables. And you know what? They're going to help us understand numbers in a very, very tasty way.
So first up is addition. Now, don't let the big words scare you. Addition is, well, it's just putting things together. That's it. See how Rumi and Shami are gathering all their lovely vegetables into one big basket? That's all addition is. It really is that simple.
All right, have a look here. On this side, we can see Rumi's basket. It has 7 juicy red tomatoes. And over on the other side, Shami has a basket with 5 beautiful tomatoes. So right now, we have 2 separate groups of tomatoes. But what if we want to know how many they have in total?
This, my dears, is where we use addition. We just ask ourselves, what is 7 plus 5? Take a second. Just imagine putting all of those tomatoes from both baskets into one big pile. How many would you have?
Yes, exactly. 12 tomatoes. Fantastic work. When you combine 7 things and 5 more things, you get a total of 12. You see, you're already a pro at this. The main thing to remember is, addition is just finding the total.
Chalo, let's do a quick fire round, just to warm up our brains. What if Rumi has 9 carrots and Shami has 4? Together they have?
Now, counting one by one is fine, but in your exams, you need to be fast. So I'm going to let you in on some secrets, some super smart tricks. This is all about working smarter, not harder.
First up, we have the Jinladi, or the bead mala method. This is a very old and very useful trick. Let's say we want to add 12 plus 4. You first find the 12th bead. Simple. Then, from there, you just move forward 4 more beads. Come on, let's count together. 13, 14, 15, and 16. And just like that, you have your answer.
The best part about this method is that you can actually see the number getting bigger. This is exactly what addition is, making a number grow. It's a really solid method that will always give you the right answer.
But what happens when the numbers get a bit bigger? Let's learn Gauri's smart trick. To solve 12 plus 6, she just breaks down the bigger number. We all know that 12 is just 10 plus 2, right? So the whole problem becomes 10 plus 2 plus 6. Now adding 2 and 6 is super easy. That's 8. So you're just left with 10 plus 8, which is 18. How simple is that?
So there you have it. 2 amazing ways to win at addition. Simple counting forward is great when you have smaller numbers. But for those bigger numbers, Gary's smart grouping method is a super fast shortcut. Both are perfectly correct, so you can just use whichever one feels easiest for you. Okay, now that we are masters of addition, let's move on to subtraction. And guess what? If you understood addition, you'll find this so easy. If addition is putting things together, subtraction is the exact opposite. It's all about taking away. That's the only thing you need to remember. Let's follow this little story. Our friend Ramen here had 12 yummy bananas, but then his tummy started rumbling and he felt hungry, so he ate some of them. This means some bananas were taken away.
Now, the story tells us that after his snack, only 5 bananas were left. We know he started with 12, and now there are only 5. So the big question is, how many bananas are missing? How many did our hungry friend Ramen actually eat?
He ate 7 bananas. That's it, because 12 minus 7 leaves us with 5. Subtraction is just about finding out what's left or what was taken away. You are all learning this so quickly. I am so proud of you. All right, you've totally mastered addition, and you've nailed subtraction, so I think it's time for the final challenge, story problems. But please, don't worry. You already have all the skills you need. The only little trick is to read the question carefully and decide, do I need to add or do I need to subtract? Okay, let's start with this yummy one. Aman has 8 delicious ladus. Then his friend Charanjit comes along and brings 6 more ladus. The question is, how many ladus are there in all? What do you think? What should we do here?
Yes, we need to add. The words more and in all are like little clues in the story. Whenever you see them, they're telling you to combine the numbers. So our problem is simply 8 plus 6.
And the answer is 14 ladus. Amazing job. You read the story, you found the clue, and you solved it perfectly. And this is exactly how you should handle all story problems. Just look for the clues. Okay, one last one, and this one has 2 parts, so listen very carefully. A bus starts its journey with 6 children inside. At the first stop, 8 more children get on. But then, at the very next stop, 7 children get off. So, how many children are left on the bus? Let's figure this out together. The best way to solve these is step by step. Don't rush. So, step 1. Let's find out the total children after the first stop. We add the 6 who were already there and the 8 who got on. 6 plus 8 is 14. Good. So now we have 14 children on the bus. Now for step 2. From these 14 children, 7 got off. So we need to take away 7. We subtract. 14 minus 7 is 7. So there are 7 children left on the bus. See? Simple. And for our grand finale, let's play a quick matching game. Look at the problems on the left and the answers on the right. Let's connect them. First one, 8 plus 7. Where does it go? To 15. Correct. Next, 9 plus 9. That equals 18. And 10 plus 2 is 12. Great. 16 plus 1 is, of course, 17. And the last one, 11 plus 3, matches with 14. Fantastic. You got every single one right. And we are done. Just look at everything you've revised today. Addition, subtraction, some really smart tricks, and you even solved those tricky story problems. You should be so proud of yourselves. You are all truly math champions. Always remember this, my dear children. The only way to get better at maths is to just do more maths. The more you practice these sums, the easier and faster you will get. You have all the knowledge, you know all the tricks, now just keep practicing, stay confident, and you are going to do wonderfully in your exams. All the very best.